Good morning, student. We have completed question up to question number 13 of exercise 6.5. Let's see the question number 14, which is very important question. Question number 14. The perpendicular from A on the side BC of triangle ABC intersect BC at D such that BD is equal to 3CD. This is ABC. AD is perpendicular to BC. BD is 3 times of CD. To prove, but you have to prove it, 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Proof: in right triangle ABD, angle ADB is 90 degree, so AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. This is the first equation. In right triangle ACD, AC's angle ADC is 90 degree, so AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square, or AC square minus CD square is equal to AD square. Putting AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square in equation 1. Therefore, AB square is equal to AC square minus CD square plus BD square. Given that BD is equal to 3CD, so BC is equal to BD plus CD, that is 3CD plus CD, it is equal to 4CD, and CD is equal to 1 upon 4 BC. BD is equal to 3CD, so 3 into 1 upon 4 BC, 3 upon 4 BC. Putting the value of BD is equal to 3 upon 4 BC and CD is equal to 1 upon 4 BC in equation 2. So it will be AB square, this is the AC square, this is CD square, CD is 1 upon 4 BC, plus BD square, BD is 3 upon 4 BC, AC square minus 1 upon 16 BC square plus 9 upon 16 BC square, minus 1 upon 16 plus 9 upon 16, it become plus 8 upon 16 BC square 8 1 जा 8 2 जा. Take the LCM of it. 2ac square plus bc square is equal to ab square, or cross multiply 2ab square is equal to 2ac square plus bc square. Hence proved. This is a very important question. Same way, question number 15 is also very important question. In equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on the side BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 BC. This is the equilateral triangle ABC. BD is 1/3 BC. To prove that 9AD square to prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Construction. Draw AE perpendicular to BC. Draw AE perpendicular to BC. Proof. In equilateral triangle, perpendicular from vertex bisects the base, so BE is equal to EC is equal to half BC. BD is equal to 1/3 BC. It is given. So DE is equal to BE minus BD. DE is equal to BE is 1/2 BC minus 1/3 BC, because BD is 1/3 BC. LCM of it is 6. 3 BC, 3 2 जा 2 1 जा 2 BC, 1/6 BC. In triangle ADE, angle AED is 90 degree, so AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. In triangle ADE, angle AED is 90 degree, ABE था ये. In triangle ADE, AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square, or AD square minus DE square is equal to AE square. Putting AE square is equal to AD square minus DE square in equation 1. So it become AB square is equal to AE square, value of AE square is AD square minus DE square plus BE square. DE is 1 upon 6 BC. BE is 1 upon 2 BC. AD square minus 1 upon 36 BC square plus 1 upon 4 BC square. Take AB square plus 1 upon 36 AB square minus 1 upon 4 AB square is equal to AD square, because AB is equal to BC. Take the LCM of it. 36 is the LCM. 36 AB square, 36 1 ja 1 AB square, 4 9 ja 9 1 ja 9 AB square. 36 1 37, 37 minus 9, that is 28 AB square upon 36 is equal to AD square. 4 7 ja 4 9 ja, therefore 7 AB square is equal to 9 AD square. Question number 16. An equilateral triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of its altitude. This is the altitude given an equilateral triangle ABC AD is altitude to BC. To prove 3 times the square of one side, that is 3AB square is equal to 4 AD square. Proof: BD is equal to DC is equal to half of BC. In equilateral triangle The altitude from vertex bisects the base. In triangle ABD, angle ADB is 90 degree. So AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square by Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AD square plus 1 upon 2 whole square BC whole square, AD square plus 1 upon 4 BC square, AB square minus 1 upon 4 AB square is equal to AD square, because BC is equal to AB is equal to AC. Take the LCM. 4AB square minus AB square is equal to AD square. 4 minus 1, that is 3. AB square is equal to 4 AD square. Hence proved. Homework for you. Question number 17 of exercise 6.5. There this exercise is completed. On next turn we will do some optional question of exercise 6.6.